In South Africa, residential evictions are governed by the Prevention of Illegal Eviction from and Unlawful Occupation of Land Act, known as the PIE Act. While intended to protect vulnerable tenants from unlawful eviction, many landlords argue that the law creates an imbalance that heavily favors tenants, even those who refuse to pay rent or damage property. In this article, we explore the challenges landlords face with eviction laws, the rights of both parties, and practical legal strategies landlords can use to comply with legislation, while safeguarding their investments. The PIE Act of 1998 mandates that landlords must follow a court-based eviction process, even when a tenant breaches the lease agreement. No person may be evicted without a court order, and judges are compelled to consider the circumstances of all parties, particularly the potential homelessness of unlawful occupiers. No one may be evicted from their home or have their home demolished without an order of court made after considering all relevant circumstances. Section 26(3) Constitution of South Africa. Implication for landlords. Even if tenants stop paying rent or violate lease terms, the landlord cannot immediately remove them. Legal proceedings can take several months, often requiring additional costs such as legal fees and security. Many landlords argue that the current legal framework delays legal remedies despite clear breaches of contract, forces landlords to carry financial losses while tenants exploit the process, and encourages illegal occupation, as word spreads that evictions take time and are rarely enforced swiftly. This results in a situation where responsible landlords who follow the law are punished financially, while non-paying tenants benefit from procedural protections. Understanding and strictly following the correct legal procedure is crucial. Here's how lawful eviction works. Cancel the lease agreement in writing due to breach, such as non-payment. Serve notice to vacate, usually 20 working days. If the tenant refuses to vacate, apply to the magistrate's court under the PIE Act. The court will consider all circumstances, including tenant vulnerability. If the court grants an eviction order, it must be executed by the sheriff.